What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to enhance your audio via Premiere's internal AI tool to make your audio sound better. So what we want to do is go to this little tool called Essential Sound. So Window and then Essential Sound right here. Now it brings up this new panel. I have a dialogue track, if you can hear. Today we're going to learn how to blur faces inside of Premiere Pro. So this is just a video that I recently made. You've probably seen it. You click your audio. Let's see this entire thing. There's a big track here. And what we're going to do is drop down on the preset. So in your presets, you're going to have a bunch of different settings. Background Walla Walla, balance high tone voices, and you're going to click what you want to do. So let's say you're making a video and you want to make it sound like it's from the radio. Click the from the radio setting. It automatically changes it. Hit enhance. You're going to see that this has been changed, and let's hit play.
Another quick and easy tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to blur faces inside of Premiere Pro.
Great, it sounds like that. Super quick, super easy. Your mix amount is a setting you can change. Let's see what it looks like.
Blur faces inside of Premiere Pro.
Not bad. Drag it back down to normal. Now from here we can drop down. Let's do from television.
Tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to blur faces inside of Premiere Pro.
Pretty great. And at the very end, and as you can see, there's all these different settings inside of here that you can just kind of play around with. It's really cool. If I'm not a sound editor and I'm not using a sound engineer, somebody who just needs to edit videos like I'm doing here, this is a great way to help me improve my audio automatically, especially if you're not using something super nice. I have a nice recording setup in my office, makes this really easy, but I like to go into here, click this, drop this down, go to podcast voice, click enhance, and yeah, make it sound a lot better.
Easy tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to blur faces.
Still a little off, but this tool is really helpful. So that is how you pretty much automatically enhance your audio inside of Premiere Pro. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. It helps me out a ton.